Good morning, friends. I welcome each one of you to this particular presentation of mine on data mining through machine learning. Here, you will see that apart from whatever points that I have shared in my earlier videos, you are going to be introduced to what we call it as decision analytics, data mining analytics, marketing analytics through data mining. However, we are not supposed to restrict ourselves to these things only. Apart from this, you will see that there are other things that we can even think about and proceed further. For example, about data in machine learning, which I discussed, I think, in 2 or 3 videos of mine. Then, what is the standard data terminology? The jargon that is being introduced through data mining. One of them, definitely, yes, I have shared with you, wherein we were talking about data being generated by machine, then data being trained, data being tested out. Now, there are other things also which you will see in my forthcoming videos, wherein you will definitely go ahead and you would be learning the new things, new concepts, as well as, I would say, the understanding about data with respect to the data and how rich it is going to make our knowledge itself. Apart from that, I have seen that there is data terminology that is being used in statistics, as well as the interpretations of the statistical that we are used via machine learning. Now, apart from this, understanding about data, algorithms and machine learning. Now, why we are talking so much about algorithms? When I'm talking, go into the depth of the research methodologies, then I'm talking about various techniques. I'm talking about different tools that are available for me, or the concepts which are present, so that my analysis is being enriched. However, when we come to machine learning, we are introduced to algorithms. So does that mean that we are moving away from data models and everything? So this is something that we are going to learn about through these particular concepts which are presented to us in data mining. Then definitely, yes, there would be a comprehensive knowledge sharing about linear and non-linear algorithms. So that means that my data also, which is going to be there, will be coming in for I would say, the algorithms that we are talking about. Similarly, we are talking about data mining also side by side, and we have to understand and see what it is, differences between algorithm and models, how the algorithms are being used in data mining. That's one thing that I'm going to focus a lot. Similarly, how algorithms help me in knowing the data and help me in making the future predictions and take the appropriate decision for various things that are present in the domain of research. Now, introduction of few softwares pertaining to data mining. So these are certain things which I thought I would definitely go ahead and share it in the forthcoming video walks of mine, or the presentations which I'm going to take care and share the information as well as the knowledge that I have learned. And it is definitely, if it has been very fruitful for me, I'm sure and certain that this is going to be the same for each one of you. Thank you for watching this particular presentation of mine, and let me come up with my next presentation, wherein with the help of a mind map, I'm going to showcase to you various things that can be done in data mining through machine learning. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.